Oh, yes?
But we all know that's not how you get a man.
Oh, I believe my backup singer has something to say. Coco St.Croix! Yes!
Get it, Lincoln. This is how you do it.
You got it. You better sing.
I'll try. Now there's something about good loving that all you ladies should know. You wanna light your man on fire, you gotta start it real slow. Keep on turning up the voltage till the can begin to glow like you're switching on a light bulb. The fuse begin to blow. She'll do the rest. Listen, all you red hot lovers.